I'm Sienna Bowes. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra factorization. Let's take a look at today's sum. Factorize x plus 1 the whole squared plus x plus 2 the whole squared minus 13. Let's see how we can do this factorization. Let's copy this sum down. Minus 13. Firstly, we have to expand x plus 1 the whole squared and x plus 2 the whole squared, referring to the formula a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then referring to that, then we get x squared plus 2 into x into 1, that is the 2ab part, plus 1 squared. In the first case, x is like a and 1 is like b. Now in the second one, we write x squared plus 2 into x into 2, which is the 2ab part, plus 2 squared, minus 13. In the second one, in the second expansion, x is like a, and 2 is like b. Referring to that, we have done this expansion. Now, x squared plus 2x plus 1, plus, opening the brackets, x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 13. Now we are adding up the like terms to get 2x squared plus 6x minus 8. From here, we can take, if we can observe, we can take 2 common. We take 2 common out, we will be left with x squared plus 3x minus 4 in the bracket. We can even check to see if it's giving back this. 2 into x squared gives us 2x squared. 2 into plus 3x gives us plus 6x. 2 into minus 4 gives us minus 8. That means it's correct. Here we will now factorize this polynomial, x squared plus 3x minus 4. Splitting the middle term, first of all, we have 4. The factors of 4 which we are going to use over here are 4 and 1. Then splitting the middle term, we get x squared plus 4x minus x minus 4. From here, let's take our pairs. Taking the pairs, we can see from our first pair, we can take x common out. We take x common out and we will be left with x plus 4 in the bracket. And in the second pair, we take minus 1 common out, and we'll be left with the same thing, x plus 4. That means x plus 4 is the common factor over here, and x minus 1 will be left in the bracket. Means this one is not needed. Then the final factorization is 2 into x plus 4 the whole into x minus 1 the whole. This is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. This is our next sum. Factorize x squared minus a plus 1 by a the whole into x plus 1. Let's see how we can do this. X squared minus a plus 1 by a, the whole into x plus 1. All we have to do is first open the bracket over here. X squared, this is actually minus x, so we get minus ax minus x by a plus 1. Our two pairs over here, let's take common factors out. From first pair, we can take x common out, and we will be left with x minus a in the bracket. In the second pair, we can take minus 1 by a common out, and we'll be left with x and minus a left inside the bracket. If we want, we can even check if it gives us back. Over here, x into x gives us x squared minus ax, and in this case, minus 1 by a into x gives us minus x by a, and minus 1 by a into minus a gives us actually plus a by a, and that means plus 1. That means everything is okay. X minus a is the common factor here. We take that common out, and we'll be left with x minus 1 by a in the bracket. The final factorization is x minus a the whole into x minus 1 by a the whole, our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. This is our next sum. Factorize 2a cubed x squared minus 5a squared x minus 12a. Let's do this factorization. Squared minus 5a squared x minus 12a. We can take a common out. If we take a common out, we will be left with 2a squared x squared minus 5ax minus 12. We can factorize this over here. 2 into 12 gives us 24. The factors of 24 which will be useful to us over here are 8 and 3. We can write this as 2a squared x squared minus 8ax plus 3ax minus 12 are two pairs. From the first pair, we can take 2ax common out, a. The whole into, actually need to put a second bracket. 2ax, the whole into 2ax. Inside the bracket, we can write ax minus 4. This is what we get. And in the second bracket, we can take 3 common out, plus 3 common out. If we take plus 3 common out, we will again be left with ax minus 4 inside the bracket. And don't forget to put that second brace which we put previously. We get a into 2ax, the whole into ax minus 4, plus 3, the whole in 3 into ax minus 4, the whole, because a was there. Now doing the factorization, ax minus 4 is the common factor, and we will be left with 2ax plus 3 in the bracket. Finally, we get a into ax minus 4, the whole into 2ax plus 3, the whole. This is our final answer. You may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.